Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About x, that is about number 2 multiplied by 1 over 2. So in this situation, I will put about 1 over 4. Later that we need to minus 1 over 4. The reason I need to create this one because I want to create about identity in here. So this one we have plus 3 over 4. This one we have x minus 1 over 2 to the power of 2. So we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x minus 1 over 2 equals to the square root of number 3 over 2 times t. Because if we put this one go in here, we have 3 over 4 times t square. 3 over 4 we can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1 we change for secant of t square, and later that we simplify by dx. In here we still have about s, so we put negative 1 over 2 go to the right, and we have positive 1 over 2. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. So we have the x equals to the square root of number 3 over 2 secant of t square dt. S we change for this one. This one we change for this one. The s we change for this one. This one we change for 3 over 4 tan t square. So we do factorization of 3 over 4. This one we change for secant of t square. We simplify by this one. This number divided by this number, so we will have about 2 multiplied by the square root of number 3 over 3. And now we have this one left. Now we need to expand this one. Next, about tan t square, we change for secant of t square minus 1. Three over 4 multiplied by secant of t square and number 1. So 1 over 4 minus 3 over 4, we have negative 1 over 2. And now we can get the final answer. The integral of 1 over 2, we have 1 over 2t. We know that tan t is about sine t over cosine t. The integral of sine t over cosine t, we have negative, and we multiply by this one. ln of the absolute value of cosine t. And the last one is about tan t. And we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by this one in here. So we have t equals to arctan of this one. So we put this one to replace for t. And we know that tan with arctan, we have this one in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.